The National Weather Service issued a high wind warning for the Willamette Valley from 1 p.m. through 11 p.m. Saturday. Wind gusts between 45 and 55 miles per hour are expected. Due to the high winds, trees can fall and power could go out.
Portland, Oregon, KOIN. A powerful windstorm is moving across Oregon and southwest Washington in a pattern one forecaster from the National Weather Service described as a cinnamon roll.
A high wind watch is in effect for the northwest Oregon coast all the way to the Cascade foothills, with southerly winds between 25 and 35 miles per hour with gusts between 40 and 55 miles per hour.
The high wind warning stretches from Reedsport south to the California border, with gusts to 70 miles per hour possible.
One of our forecasters said that the storm is starting to look like a cinnamon roll, smiley face, hashtag someone's hungry, hashtag will work for food, pic.twitter.com/U9xeroshin.
Although it's not a sure thing, overall the storm looks to be on target for strong damaging wind gusts Saturday for the coast. The strongest winds are expected Saturday morning. Minor damage can occur with sustained wind speeds of 40 miles per hour plus, and trees tend to uproot at 60 miles per hour or more.
Thunderstorms may develop Saturday, and heavy rainfall totals for the mountains and east slopes of the Cascades, the Dalles to central and eastern Oregon. Snow levels will be high at 8,000 feet, so you can pretty much count on major snowmelt combined with 1 to 3 inches of rain to cause a few problems.